Hello guys, welcome to iTechHub YouTube channel. So guys, today I will show you some new features about Instagrams. So how to use Instagram QR code in your iPhone, iPad and Android devices. So please follow the steps and easy to use new features in Instagrams. So first of all, open your Instagram account. In Instagram account you can see also bottom right corner profile icon. So tap on profile icon. Then you can see also three lines in right corner. So tap on right corner. So you can see also QR code options in your Instagram. Then tap on QR code and you can see QR code. If you cannot see this option, so come back and open App Store and Instagram search. Then update new version Instagram. I also update. Then again open your Instagrams. So first of all open Instagrams, then tap on profile icon, then right corner three lines select and you can see also QR code. In QR code you can change also like emojis, colors and selfies add. So I can change also my emojis. You can add selfies, change colors. So easy to change colors, selfies and emojis. In Instagram QR code you can save easily. If you cannot save QR code, then screenshot to share your friends, family members. So I open my photos and you can see also my QR code in photos. So this QR code I can share also Facebook, Instagram, Snapchats, also another apps, and your friend easy to follow to you. So I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share.